Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Kanika once again. And today we'll be preparing falafel burgers, which are of heart healthy chickpeas and some of the herbs and spices. For preparing that, I have pre soaked chickpeas that are Kabuli chanas, or you can say white chole, overnight for 10 to 12 hours. Along with that, I need cilantro leaves that is hara dhania, a bunch of hara dhania I'm taking, few pods of garlic and big size onion which is cut roughly. First and the foremost step which I'm going to do in preparing of falafel that are chickpea patties is that I'm going to put whole of the chickpea in mixer grinder. It depends upon what kind of mixer grinder you are having. You can do in batch by batch also. But I'm going to put whole of the chickpeas in one go along with onions, garlic pods and cilantro bunch. Here my mixer is filled with everything. Now I'm going to make a coarse paste of it. This is what I got after doing everything in the mixer grinder. Now I'm going to put this in a bowl and then I'll tell you what to do next. Here I have put entire mixture in a bowl. Now I'll put 1 tablespoon of white sesame seed into it. You can roast it even, but I am putting it this way only. Then I'll put 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of red chili powder, garam masala I'm going to put. In traditional recipe of this falafel we put coriander powder, but my family doesn't like it, so I'm not going to put it, but you can go for it. This is garam masala which I have just put, and along with that I'll roast some of the cumin seeds that will give very nice flavor to it, believe me, and put it whole of the cumin seed, around 1 tablespoon I have taken, and put it in the mixture and give it a mix. Here it goes, and mix the mixture well. Salt and other spices can be adjusted as per your taste. Some of the times many people prefer to put all purpose flour, that is maida, 1 to 2 spoon in it, but I don't prefer it. I'll make patties like this. You can keep the side on a plate or otherwise put it directly into frying vessel. It can be easily made. They are very soft. I have not added even baking soda because I have soaked the chickpeas well and the mixture is already very soft, and these patties are going to come out very fluffy. Here I have taken oil in a pan. Once it will get heated up, put patties like this slowly. They are very soft, so you have to handle them with light hands only. Put them one by one and fry them well. They are getting fried beautifully. You can put oil like this on the top as well. Keep it on a medium flame, not on the high flame, so that it get cooked thoroughly from inside. They are not at all stick to the bottom as well. Handle them with soft hands. Now you can very well see it is done from one side. It's a time to flip them over to the other side. It is almost done. Let's take out one by one these falafels on the other plate. Here is another batch of frying. In this mixture, I have made around 8 falafels. As our falafel patties are done, now we'll start preparing burgers. I have taken this soft bun and I'll cut it from the center with the help of knife. Slowly you have to do to avoid breakage of these buns. Now on both the sides, both inner sides, I'm going to spread cheese. Any of the cheese you can take. I'm taking this cheese spread. You have to apply on inner side of these buns. Any of the cheese spread you like. Here we go. You can use any of the quantity you like. If you want more, then you can apply more of it. Otherwise, moderate amount will go for it. Next, I'm going to put this salad leaf. It is properly washed and this falafel patty. Just spread it a bit and put it over it. Now it's a time to add mayonnaise on this. Again, it depends upon your choice, how much quantity you want to eat of this, how much flavor you like. Spread it evenly on the falafel. I'm using eggless mayonnaise. Now I'm going to put onions on this. These are diced onions. You can take ring shape also. Tomatoes and cucumber pieces. If you want to keep capsicum also in this, it will not give a good flavor, so don't go for it. Sprinkle some of the chaat masala over it, and it's a time to close the burger with the another part. Overloaded falafel burger, you must try it at home and do mention in the comment how did you like the burgers.